taps remain dry in the city, garbage remains uncollected, sewage is flowing freely, estate and feeder roads remain in deplorable conditions. He has engaged the services of more than 6,000 youth who are not under any contract but are paid through the county suspense account, and whether the said youth are also misused by the political class to cause mayhem and inflict injury on any dissenting voice, and whether they have been paid. That is a clear question that must be asked. I'm sure you've seen some of them planting grass and tending to flowers.
To help us is, look, the law does not say it is a must you have 10. The law says maximum 10. So you can decide to put your executive together and some of the dockets together and decide, I just want to have 5, but I'll have more chief officers, because it is the chief officers who are the IE holders of each of those dockets.
Ala kuenda county office, waone governor pale, wamwambia kwamba katika Nairobi tuko na shida hii, ama sisi kama wakilishi wana Nairobi tuko na malalamishi ya kwamba watu wetu wametutuma governor, wanasema ABCD haendi vizuri.
Governor ni sisi tulimchagua, na sisi tunasema amefanya kazi Nairobi, tumeiona. Kuungana kwa MPs wa Nairobi, wabunge wa Nairobi, ili wapige governor wetu, waache kabisa na ikome.
We know you are looking for a seat in 2022. It is still too early to do your campaigns. We need him to give him time to do what we voted him for.